Welcome to our guide on how to easily send a photo from your gallery using Gmail chat on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll see a grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, choose Chat. This will open up the chat feature where all your conversations are stored. Now it's time to find the chat where you want to send the photo. Scroll through your list of contacts or use the search bar for quicker access. Once you locate the chat, click on it to open the conversation. In the chat window, look for the upload icon, the one that resembles a paperclip. Click on Upload File. This will open your File Explorer. Next, navigate to the location on your PC where your desired photo is stored. Select the picture you want to send, and then click Open. This will attach the photo to the chat. Finally, once the photo is uploaded, don't forget to hit Send. Your photo will be delivered instantly to your selected chat, ready for your conversation partner to view. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo from your gallery on Gmail chat using your PC. Thanks for following along, and happy chatting.